Now, we see a lot of content that is aiming to destroy your brain. It is literally called brain rot. I believe this is the fault of the adults, not teens, because there isn't enough interesting educational fast-paced content to counter that harmful content. Your attention span is getting less and less while you are wasting more and more time. This is a crisis. I am trying to be part of solving that problem by creating educational short content to help restore the balance. It's very hard as these videos get millions of views every single day and they require very little effort to make. While in here I have to research, fact-check and write the content and generate the video. However, we can go through this fight together because some things are worth fighting for. If you like the idea, please let me know your questions and subscribe to the channel. If you don't like the idea, let me know your thoughts in the comments.